Guys, what's up? It's Mark. I gotta shoot this video kind of quick because it's getting dark out and it's pretty damn chilly. We just got a mega cold front yesterday, or this morning I guess you would say, and it's dropped quite a bit significantly. Snow this morning, sleet, and here we are. So without further ado, here's the truck of the day. This is a preview only of a 2000. Yeah, like I said, guys, hang tight. Preview. I got a lot of previews in the works right now, okay? I do my due diligence of getting them checked out properly. I put a lot of time and money and effort in every single vehicle that I buy. I handpick each one and every single one individually, besides trade-ins, obviously. And the ones that I pick, I make sure I buy them right to put the money into them to sell them right. Mechanically perfect. I want to make sure everything's done right, structurally, and sound. So with that said, guys, this is a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Z71. Short story, a long short story on this truck. It used to be owned by a very good buddy of mine, Charlie Boy. Charlie, you're probably watching this video and hoping you give it a thumbs up. Knowing you're probably gonna give me the damn thumbs down because I hate you. Anyways, a good buddy of mine, really cool guy, really nice guy. Long story about this truck, short story. Truck, he owned it for many years. It's from South Carolina, good buddy of mine. Truck got stolen, okay? They found it, it was recovered. The insurance company paid him for it and everything, so the truck has a salvage title, okay? Because of the theft. Some dirtbag who stole it, go figure, ruins it for everybody, and the truck has a current salvage title. Nothing pertaining to the vehicle is structurally wrong with it. Nothing is flooded, no crap like that, no dirty business. It's just branded salvage because of the dumbass who stole it. It was a theft recovery. With that said, though, the truck runs and drives great. It's got a kick-ass set of MUD grapplers on it, one of my favorite tires. They have a lot of road noise, guys, but these ones are substantially an aggressive tire. These are a 35 1450 15 Nitto MUD grappler, and they're a kick-ass tire. They're really aggressive looking. They have a lot of road noise because of the gap you can see between the footprints right here of the tread. A lot of road contact and no road contact. And road contact, that's what makes that oh sound. Truck has a, I believe it's a rough country lift kit on it, 4 or 5 inch, something like that. Suspension lift on it. It's pretty clean. It does have a little bit of rust under the rocker panels and cap corners. I'll show you. There's the long arms right there. You can't see it. Like I said, it's getting dark out, guys. So I'm just going to do a video later on and show you guys what's going on. So a little bit of rust in the rocker panels right here. Same on the other side. Not as bad as this side. New axles, front and left side. Yeah, you can't see crap. Here's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna post this video anyways just to get it up there and going. I'm gonna do a video tomorrow or the next day after it's all cleaned up, and hopefully my detail guy can take it tomorrow if the weather holds up. And I'll put a video up here and here later on. It's got a set of Micky Thompson wheels on it. Wide suckers. Yeah, it's too dark. All right, I'm gonna cut this video short. I'm sorry, guys. Hope you guys like the video. This is Mark signing out with the 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Z71. Hope you guys like it. Coming soon. See ya. Peace out. Subscribe.